30 rates projects Bitcoin Cash to slide 9.4% by May 20. Let's take a moment to review the latest chart dynamics. According to the latest chart, Bitcoin Cash has dropped 0.9% and is near $380.40. Now we move to the analysts' outlooks. 30 rates sees tomorrow's level at $345, which means a fall of 9.4%. Bitcoin Cash is expected to decline to $371, according to CoinLore, a loss near 2.6%. According to CoinCodex, the value may retreat to $377.91, an estimated decrease of 0.8%. A separate forecast from Gov Capital Collector shows Bitcoin Cash could approach $385.16, an estimated rise of 1.1%. To conclude, Crypto Predictions projects $436.77 by May 20. That's 14.7% above where the price is now. This stands as the most lucrative forecast. The 5 calls are covered. Let's move along. We've gathered all the predictions. Here's the analytical view. After evaluating every forecast, the potential price change could lie between a decrease of 9.4% and an increase of 14.7%, depending on the analyst. Put simply, Crypto Predictions projects the highest return with 14.7% gain in value by tomorrow. Therefore, you could earn between $8 and $147 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering the probabilities, CoinCodex has the forecast most likely to succeed with an 80% chance. From the full range of forecasts, I've drawn a unified consensus outlook. Based on consensus, Bitcoin Cash is likely to stand near $383.17. Here's what it looks like up close. The consensus figure shows the price moving up 0.6% by tomorrow. In simple terms, your capital might mirror the same 0.6% change. On a 1,000, this could line up with a possible $6 increase. So the probability of this consensus forecast being realized sits near 81.6%. Next, let's see how analysts expect the market to perform over the 3 days. 30 rates anticipates Bitcoin Cash falling. Also, CoinLore suggests bearish momentum will dominate. A neutral stance is reflected in CoinCodex's outlook. Gov Capital Collector expects a bearish continuation. Crypto Predictions projects a climb for Bitcoin Cash across this period. Consensus estimates reflect Bitcoin Cash holding its ground over the 3-day period. In conclusion, 60% of the outlooks point to a bearish path for Bitcoin Cash. 5 forecasts for the next day came out 2 days back. Now that it's passed, we know the outcome. As a result, the actual price settled around $378.50. As it turned out, just 2 out of 5 matched the actual trend. The best forecast in terms of precision was made by CoinDataFlow. Now let's set it in order. All forecasts stood outside the candle limits. Looking at ROI, some analysts managed to post gains, with CoinDataFlow performing best overall. Let's switch to the summary table. It brings all results into one clear view. When checking results, 30 rates showed minus 8.9% ROI and $38.50 accuracy. Can you spot the forecast that held up best? Here's how tomorrow's predictions look for various cryptos compared with Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash currently shows the highest projected return for tomorrow, 0.6%. Currently, Bitcoin Cash is matched with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. The extended profitability view is already included on my website. Like and subscribe if you want to stay informed without spending hours checking every analyst yourself. Have a good one.